What's the meaning of beep? Beep. Beep.
Beep. Beep. Beep is a sound signal consisting of a short and sharp tone, often high-pitched. The term beep has been used in various contexts, such as in beep codes used by computers to communicate errors or in the sound made by automobiles when reversing. The word beep was first recorded in the 1940s and is believed to be imitative of the sound it represents. Beep has become a ubiquitous term in modern society, and its usage has expanded beyond its original meaning. Today, it is also used as a verb to indicate the act of emitting a beep, and as a noun to describe any short and sharp sound.